press brakes, shears, grinders, lathes, milling machines, saws, and much more since 1954. Today I'm going to show you a really nice machine, one of the best companies around. They're very well known for grinding machines. The name of Okamoto. This is a 1224 DX, one of the more popular models. You'll see it has the electromagnetic chuck, parallel dresser. It's very nice, easy machine to use. We've done a lot of work to this machine. We've gone through it. It has a brand new paint job. It has new spindle bearings, has an upgraded computer control. Everything's ready to go on this guy. So we're going to go ahead and show you a few of the functions. We've got plunge grind, traverse grinding, everything's set up in here. We'll start off with our hydraulic pump. Actually, you know what, before we do our hydraulic pump, let me go ahead and turn on the grinding wheel. So we'll come real close and let you hear this wheel. Right now we don't have the wheel on it, but brand new spindle bearings. So you got that nice and quiet. Go ahead and start the pump. There's the pump, your grinding wheel on now. Right now we have the table stopped. We'll go ahead and start our table. We'll show you the electromagnetic chuck is on right now. You can see we have a little piece of metal we haven't turned on. Everything's working and functioning there. Now you're going to notice right here on our travel or cross feed, it's going every time. We also have it on incremental downfeed. You can see here's your vertical display, and we're set right here at 40 thousandths to come down each time. Everything's really nice and located right here to be able to use. Everything's functioning right here, no problem. Over here we have our other controls for the hydraulic. It's going to make an increase and decrease of your hydraulic pressure and then slow down the speed and feed rate. You can see you can just creep. Everything's still going the same exact speed as far as all your calculations. We'll increase it a little bit more and let you see the incremental downfeed work. So you'll notice it actually just set. It went down from over 20 thousandths down to 1970 or 11/1970. That's going to come down each time. Every time it does a full pass, it's going to traverse it over, through, all the way down, come down with your incremental downfeed, which means your head's going to come down, and you're going to come back and do it again. We'll hit our table stop. Now we're going to put it into plunge feed. Start our feed again. You can see right here, the vertical head is coming down. So that's a basic rundown of this machine. You can see everything's running really nice and quiet, ready to go. Give us a call, 626-444-0311, or visit our website at sterlingmachinery.com. If you have one of these for sale, you can buy in, trade up to a new one. Look forward to seeing you. Thank you.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you.